heart of the wild desert, where the road slowly disappears into endless sand, a powerful machine stands alone. This is not just a motorhome. This is a moving fortress built for those who refuse to live ordinary lives. From the very first glance, its aggressive industrial design commands respect. The heavy-duty six-wheel chassis sits high above the ground, ready to conquer rough terrain. Massive off-road tires grip the desert floor with confidence. Reinforced metal body panels reflect strength, durability, and purpose. As it moves forward, dust rises behind it, but its presence moves ahead of everything else. This machine doesn't search for roads. It creates its own path. The elevated front cabin provides a commanding panoramic view of the horizon. Every angle of its exterior speaks the language of power. From rocky trails to open desert highways, it remains stable, balanced, and unstoppable. Step into the driver's cockpit and you immediately feel in control. The bold dashboard layout, industrial detailing, and precision gauges are built for serious travel. Everything is positioned with intention. Every button, every dial, every display serves a purpose. The steering feels firm. The visibility is wide. The experience is commanding. Whether crossing dry valleys or navigating uneven ground, this machine responds with confidence. But true strength is not only about power, it is also about independence. Extended fuel capacity allows longer journeys without interruption. Heavy-duty suspension absorbs harsh terrain. Built for off-grid exploration, it frees you from dependency on cities, hotels, or crowded campgrounds. You are not limited by destinations. You define them, and then step into the living space. Inside, the atmosphere completely transforms. Premium leather seating with diamond-stitched detailing creates a balance between rugged design and refined comfort. Warm ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, creating a calm and inviting environment after a long day of travel. A solid wood and steel dining table stands at the center, strong yet elegant. Large panoramic windows bring the desert landscape inside, allowing natural light to fill the cabin during the day and golden sunsets to glow in the evening. The craftsmanship is visible in every corner. The materials are chosen not only for beauty, but for durability. This is not temporary comfort. This is a mobile luxury suite built to travel anywhere. Imagine parking in the middle of untouched wilderness. Silence surrounding you, mountains resting on the horizon. No distractions. Your home moves with you. Your view changes every day. From golden sand dunes to dramatic rock formations, every sunrise feels personal. Every night feels earned. This is more than transportation. It is freedom in motion. It is power without limits. Luxury without boundaries. Strength without compromise. It is the ultimate expression of off-grid living. Wherever the road ends, your journey continues.